Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in Festival City Mall. First up is Toys R Us. Now basically for enter I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's get in. Let's see the what? They got the Fast and Furious, no way. I was looking for that Eclipse for a very long time. There's the set, there's the Mona Lisa. It's a cool car. Here we've got the Dodge Charger or Dodge Hemi. Here's a Dodge Charger. That's the offer one for Fury 7. Ford Escort for Fast and Furious 6. Here's the cars. What else? Here's you got the Charger, the Escort. Got the Mitsubishi. Let's go. Ford Torino. What movie is this? I don't know. Let's see if there's any more. Turn on the flashlight. So you got more Torinos, another Eclipse. Okay. Got the Charger from Fast X. This is pretty interesting. I don't think this thing is from Fast X. Maybe it is. I just haven't seen the movie yet. Let's see. Wait a second. Hey, look. What is this? Can't see anything more. I see some cars. See some more. Here, let's just take out the 2 cars I want. Let's see. Try to get the perfect angle just to show you guys the cars. It's a bit hard here. It's barely. So let's just get out here. We got it. Ice Charger from the Fast and the Furious. Yeah. There's a little Spider-Man. I dropped another car. Are you okay? Got a Jeep Gladiator from Fast 9, the Fast Sega. Let's see, much Jeeps, Hemi. There's so much Hemis, man. Wait, is this the full set? I don't think so. Wait, is it? No, wait. No, it's not. We're missing the Supra. Dude, we almost had the full set. Anyways, I'm not grabbing any of the cars. Here's one more. Let's look at the Dodge Charger Hemi. There's a Mitsubishi Eclipse, one of my favorites. The Mona Lisa. Yes, it's called the Mona Lisa in the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Already got it. Ford Torino, Fast and Furious. That's the movie. Fury 7 for the Dodge Charger. Here's a whole set if you want. For the Escort. One more time. Got the Ice Charger, the Fast and Furious. We've got Fast Gladiator. As you can see, I think this has something modified, like the back has something like the actual one. Put these back. Make sure if you ever make a mess, make sure to clean it up. Keep the community, keep everything clean. You don't want all these workers staying up for a long time just cleaning up after your mess. Got stuff. Bunch of these 2 are old. We've got the Fast and Furious, and wait a second. Let's just look at the speed machines. Lost 720s and Venenos. Here's Porsches, so no chase. Gladiator, Porsche, Chevy. And what is this? There's a Skypra? It's a Skyline and a Super Spec. It's very interesting. Got the Howells main lines. It's unstocked. I honestly thought they would get some stuff. What is this one? That's from 2022. Cor de Asada. Why is it called like that? I don't know. It sounds interesting. Bunch of 5-packs. So, I think I went hunting sometimes. I don't record these, but I think probably by next week, we'll probably see some new stuff. Probably next week, the week after. I don't know. You can see see there's just some cars, bunch of peg warmers, Euro 3, the Dodge Vans, the Urquid sign rods. I guess people are not much into Hot Wheels these days. Just a bunch of fantasies. Wheelchair. The wheelchair is like flipping. I don't know if this is in here. Bunch of vans. Wow. Okay. Just looking through these. There's a bunch of 3-packs and 5-packs. I wonder if they have the Fast and Furious one. I'm looking for it. So seriously, want the Charger and the DB5. So far, I've not found it. Let's see. We got the Matchbox. They got a new set. Well, it's the Toyota MR2. Dude, that's cool. Wait, let me just pick up the Eclipse. I don't want anybody to take it. got the Mitsubishi. What? It has an opening hood. The MR2 has opening doors. Wait, so is there two variations of it? Is there one with pop-up headlights and another one with like closed headlights? Here's a Mazda MX-30 with an opening trunk bed. Okay. We've got a Ford F100, I think. It's a pretty old one. With an opening hood, of course. Here we have a BMW M4 Cabriolet with an opening hood. We've got this weird Van de Vico with an opening door and opening back. One of my favorites from this is the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. I think this might be the whole, and of course the Morris Minor. My God, there's so much. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 Morris Minors. Really a bunch of peg warmers. Nobody buys it. It's a mini. Here's an old Dodge D200. Wow, that's old. The car packaging was not like that. What year was this? Wait. It's 2020. Okay, that was 3 years ago. We've got the 70th anniversary moving parts. There's the Porsche. There's the Hummer EV. Pretty cool. C8. Corvette Stingray C8. And what else? We got the Dodge Ram. Ram. And the Mazda MX-30 in orange. For some of these are orange. Let's pick this. Now next up we have to check out Centerpoint. Here we go. We're about to go in Centerpoint. Wow, that's just low-key in low condition. There's barely anything here. I mean, man, there's some main lines and stuff, but like, here's a single 3-pack and random 5-packs, like Welly and other random companies. Here's one that's upside down. Wow, that's hilarious. Cars from up, make sure you check out. You'll find some stuff. Here's a Ford. I think a lot of people tried to steal these. Got a Hot Wheels High. 1 second. Yeah. I wonder what they have in the pullback section, of course. Oh, this looks like. Is it much? There's a bunch of. Here's a good Jeep Wrangler. Camouflage. Pretty cool. Jaguar of some sort. Or Jaguar XE. There's one with livery, one without. Very nice. There's a GT4 not livery, so yeah. Also ones with the decals look better. Here's a black one. So red one, there's a black one. There's a decal one. There's a blue one. And yeah, that seems about it. I'm just, I found nothing here. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So this is what I got. It's a Mitsubishi. It has front, back details here for 2023. Before I leave, I want you guys like and subscribe, share this channel with your friends. See you next time.